I've got some bad news for you. The world doesn't care about your plans. Seriously. You may have all sorts of ideas. You may be excited about your grand visions. But let me tell you, nothing will come of any of these unless and until you take action. You have to understand that the world only cares about one thing and one thing alone: results. Everything else doesn't matter. Sadly, most people fail to take action on the big things because they are having a tough time with the small stuff. If you're like most people, you can't even manage to take care of these small things so you can free up enough time for the things that truly matter. This is why you struggle. Your big dreams remain as distant as ever because you're just so caught up with the small stuff in the here and now. If you're sick and tired of living far below your fullest potential, listen up. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to become a more effective person. You will learn to identify the mindsets that crush personal effectiveness. You will understand that the world rewards action right here, right now. You can begin to understand that results are only possible when you take action. You are going to learn exactly how to free up enough time and motivation for the big projects that will move your life forward. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Getting Things Done: How to Take Success-Building Action Every Single Day even if you don't feel like it. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. 10 mindsets that crush personal effectiveness. Life rewards action. Decide to be more effective now. Rework and reorder what you're currently doing. Creating and following a personal effectiveness ritual. Use the power of emotional ownership to get more stuff done. Achieve more by working more purposefully. Challenge yourself daily. Document your journey for maximum control. Best practices for getting things done. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start getting things done. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to tackle whatever comes your way. You want to stop relying on getting lucky. You know that your potential is not going to do you an ounce of good unless you turn it into actual achievement and results. You want to have the chance to do the things that truly matter in your life. You want to learn how to become a more effective person. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you're going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Getting Things Done Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside, right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Getting Things Done Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Getting Things Done Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start getting things done, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get more stuff done and move your life forward. I'll see you on the inside.